Hi everyone, I'm Keith and this is my 2008 Caddy 640 twin axle trailer used for hauling wood from the in-laws. It can carry 750 kilos or 1560 pounds. This is the axle that I replaced, and there's the battle scar. The tyre actually tilted in and rubbed through and turned the fender or the mudguard into mush. Fortunately we got home and replaced it. I bought it from a reputable company online. Straightforward installation, but what you're here for is turning what was junk from that into treasure for the workshop. In 3, 2, 1. And here's the failure point where it gave up on me. My plan is to cut it here and at the other side and utilise the steel that's in the middle. I have to report that there was a casualty during the making of this film. Stick around until the end to find out what it was. I used 4 grinding discs during the operation. I do save the smaller discs for when I've got tight radiuses to get into. So what you can see me doing here is knocking through what's left of the axle and removing the rubber that gives the suspension to the trailer. Just cleaning up my cuts with a grinding wheel. I've put on a respirator and I'm using a wire wheel installed in the grinder to clean off the surface rust. Now I've swept up all the debris into the corner and I've poured some water on it just to make sure there's no hot embers in there, and I'll be on fire watch for the next hour. I'm just cleaning up now, ready before I put on some rust converter ahead of spraying. Now I'm just making up a paper template so I can ensure I get the holes for the wheels in the right location. I must apologise for the lighting here. I've been trying to improve the lighting within the workshop to give better videos, and actually in this shot I've made it worse. And here 2 coats of silver wheel spray because that's all I had on hand. Here you can see the old mobile base that I used to use, which was basically 2 pieces of plywood with some casters screwed to the bottom of it. Unfortunately, this made working on the bandsaw quite difficult as it was quite high and the base was quite big and cumbersome when moving around the workshop. Here I've drilled through the stand and I've attached through with bolts and washers. Now on the new mobile base, the bandsaw moves so much easier, which means I can clean up all the rubbish that was underneath. So I hope that video was useful for you. It proves that anything can be turned into treasure. So as you can see, the finished product, absolutely fantastic for moving around the workshop. So I'm really, really pleased with that. However, I do have to report a casualty. My 1999 England World Cup winner shirt is ruined. The grinding has took away the bottom of the shirt. So I'm really upset by that. I've had this top since 99. However, I kind of think it looks cool on there, keeping the bandsaw clean. So I might just leave it there. So you'll see it in future videos. Hope you've enjoyed it. Hope you've stayed along till the end. I'll see you next time.